Artificial intelligence is no longer coming. It's already changing how we work. Let's see some examples how it's changing the world.
The futuristic city awakens. A panoramic view. Dawn breaks over the metropolis. High above, in Zenith Tower, Maya stands silhouetted against the vast cityscape, a solitary figure amidst towering glass and steel. The sprawling metropolis stretches out before her, an intricate web of lights and shadows, reflecting the complexities of the world. Her reflection stares back, a mirror image pondering her place in this AI-driven society. A silent question hangs in the air. What is her role in shaping this technologically advanced world? Doubt and determination mix in her eyes, reflecting the monumental decisions she must face. Maya turns from the expansive window, the city sprawling beneath her, its lights reflecting in her thoughtful gaze. The soft, almost imperceptible hum of the Zenith Tower office fills the silent space around her. A holographic display shimmers on Maya's desk, casting an ethereal glow on her focused face. The subtle dance of light and technology hints at the complex decisions weighing on her mind. In Maya's office, a holographic display flickers, casting an ethereal glow across the room. The display shows an AI analysis of the day's marketing, its vibrant charts pulsing with life. Real-time data ebbs and flows like a living organism, numbers dancing in the digital space. The AI's projections shimmer, a mesmerizing dance of information and insight. Zenith Tower hums with technological prowess, data painting a vivid picture of the campaign's success. Inside Zenith Tower, Maya's office reveals a panoramic city view. Maya stands, a silhouette against the towering skyline, lost in thought. Her finger taps rhythmically on the cool glass, a silent contemplation. A ghost of a smile touches her lips, hinting at complex calculations. She contemplates the AI's predictions, her gaze unwavering. The city stretches before her, a landscape of possibilities and challenges. Ben, a customer support agent, sits poised at his workstation in Zenith Tower, ready to tackle the day's challenges. His fingers dance across the keyboard, navigating the digital maze of customer queries with practiced ease. A furrow appears on his brow, a subtle sign of the complex issue unfolding on his screen. Despite the intricate challenge, Ben's demeanor remains a picture of calm focus. His expression is a study in concentration, betraying no hint of frustration or impatience. The glow of the monitor illuminates his face, a beacon of resolve in the bustling customer support center. Inside Zenith Tower, rows of workstations hum, a testament to quiet efficiency as workers focus on the task at hand. Ben, in his early 30 seconds, navigates a complex holographic display, equations swirling around him. His fingers dance across the interface, orchestrating the AI's symphony of data with practiced ease. A subtle stress etches his face, a hint of the pressures he bears within the sterile environment. The cool air vibrates with the deep hum of servers, the lifeblood of Zenith Tower's digital pulse. Zenith Tower's customer support office buzzes with quiet energy, a landscape of desks receding into the distance. Each station glows softly, illuminating the focused faces of customer support specialists. Ben sits at his desk, headset on, an island of composed professionalism in the humming sea of activity. The soft glow of the computer screen reflects in his eyes, a silent sentinel of customer care. The air is filled with the low hum of computers and hushed voices, a symphony of digital assistants. Each specialist is a point of contact, ready to navigate the digital world for those in need. In Zenith Tower's glass-walled conference room, a team gathers, their figures silhouetted against the city skyline. Focused intensity radiates as they lean over the digital table, brows furrowed in concentration. The glow of the digital display illuminates their faces, highlighting the gravity of the discussion. Gestures are sharp, voices hushed, as strategies are debated, and alliances forged in the heart of the tower. The city sprawls beneath them, a silent witness to the unfolding drama within the Zenith Tower. Inside the Zenith Tower, the conference room hums with silent potential, its sleek design a testament to ambition. The digital table glows, a canvas for intricate strategy diagrams that weave complex futures. AI models shimmer on the surface, their algorithms predicting market trends with cold precision. Each line and curve tells a story of calculated risks and potential triumphs. The room is a silent battlefield where fortunes are won and lost before the first shot is fired. Here, data reigns supreme, and the future is not just seen, but engineered. Sunlight floods the Zenith Tower conference room, illuminating dust motes above the mahogany table where Anna, Mark, and Chloe are deep in thought. Blueprints and holographic projections scatter across the table, a testament to their intense intellectual sparring. The air crackles with energy as they challenge each other, pushing the limits of their understanding. In the corner, a sleek AI core pulses with a soft blue light, silently observing and learning from their debate. The AI core stands as a silent partner in their intellectual dance, an unseen force subtly influencing their progress. Sunlight floods Zenith Tower's conference room, highlighting the team gathered around the polished table. Holographic projections shimmer above the table, capturing the intense concentration of the team members. Each face reflects the weight of their decisions as they lean in, absorbed in the data. An unseen AI subtly guides the strategic planning, anticipating pitfalls with seamless precision. The modern space hums with purpose, a testament to innovation and the gravity of the task at hand. Inside Zenith Tower, Sarah, the lead analyst, stands ready in the conference room, a beacon of intellect. With focused intensity, Sarah begins to sketch an innovative idea on the glass board. The marker leaves a luminous trail of light, each stroke revealing the brilliance of her vision. The conference room transforms into a canvas of possibilities as Sarah's idea takes shape. Inside Zenith Tower's conference room, the AI springs to life, its digital consciousness filling the air. Sarah's simple sketch is seized by the AI, ready to be transformed. With lightning speed, the AI refines Sarah's raw concept into a polished visual masterpiece. The refined image explodes across the screens, illuminating the room with a burst of vibrant clarity. Within Zenith Tower's conference room, a palpable sense of anticipation fills the air. The team gathers, their faces illuminated by the glow of the AI-enhanced visualization. As the visualization unfolds, a collective nod of approval ripples through the room. A shared understanding solidifies, bonding the team in a moment of technological triumph. The future of innovation seems within reach, fueled by their collaborative vision. Sunlight streams into Zenith Tower's open office, painting long shadows as the day begins. The office pulses with life, a symphony of keyboard clicks and hushed conversations filling the air. A panoramic view of the city sprawls outside, a concrete jungle bathed in morning light. Energy crackles as the workday commences, ambition hanging thick in the air. Zenith Tower's open office buzzes, humans and AI intertwine. The space is bright and modern, humming with quiet innovation, a seamless blend of organic creativity and computational power. The air thrums with the energy of collaboration and progress. Bathed in holographic light, Maya sits at her minimalist desk in Zenith Tower, a picture of serene focus. Her fingers dance across the virtual keyboard, lines of code shimmering around her, a digital symphony in motion. Advanced AI provides real-time feedback, visualizations swirling in the air. The soft glow illuminates her face, highlighting the concentration in her eyes as she reviews the campaign's progress. Zenith Tower stands as a silent witness to Maya's dedication, a beacon of innovation against the skyline. At Zenith Tower, Ben, in his mid-20s, concentrates intensely at his workstation, his fingers dancing across the sleek keyboard. A brief furrow of concentration gives way to a satisfied smile as he sends off his final message. The customer support area hums with focused activity, a hive of agents dedicated to solving customer needs. Holographic displays flicker with data, painting the air with vibrant information. AI algorithms assist agents, offering personalized solutions with silent efficiency. Bathed in sunlight, the modern conference room buzzes with quiet confidence as the team gathers. Holographic displays cast a soft glow on their faces, illuminating the focused intensity. Around the polished table, each member fine-tunes their strategy with precision. The air hums with the power of cutting-edge AI, subtly influencing every decision. They share knowing glances, secure in their augmented intelligence and unified purpose. Zenith Tower's open office buzzes with collaborative energy, a symphony of shared ideas and seamless teamwork. Employees engage in fluid exchanges, their faces alight with inspiration, thoughts weaving together effortlessly. AI subtly enhances the environment, a silent partner, amplifying creativity and fostering innovation. Insights spark and spread, a vibrant ecosystem where every voice contributes to the collective intelligence. The atmosphere hums with possibility, a testament to the power of human connection amplified by technology. Inside Zenith Tower's server room, rows of blinking lights pulse, the heart of the AI's operation. A low, constant hum vibrates through the room, the sound of raw computational power. Cables snake across the floor, a tangled web connecting the AI's digital brain. Cooling fans whir, battling the heat generated by the tireless processors. The air is sterile and cold, a stark contrast to the complex intelligence it houses. The Zenith Tower server room stands as a silent testament to technological prowess. Sunset paints the sky with fiery hues as Maya surveys the sprawling city from Zenith Tower. Bathed in the warm glow, she stands before the panoramic window, a silhouette against the vibrant skyline. Below, the city unfolds a complex tapestry of light and shadow, pulsing with life and energy. A subtle smile graces Maya's lips, a quiet acknowledgement of the day's victories. Her gaze sweeps across the horizon, reflecting the boundless potential of human-AI collaboration. In Zenith Tower's open office, a few employees are silhouetted against the cool glow of their monitors, burning the midnight oil. The subtle hum of the AI fills the space, an ever-present digital heartbeat in the quiet night. Even after hours, the AI tirelessly offers support and insights, its digital presence a silent guardian. The cool, sterile light reflects off the focused faces, each lost in the labyrinth of late-night work. The cityscape at night glitters, a symphony of light suggesting endless possibilities. Each light represents a story, a dream woven into the urban fabric by human hands. A testament to innovation, the city pulses with the rhythm of human-AI collaboration. The twinkling lights paint a hopeful vision of the future, illuminated by shared progress.
AI won't replace people. It will replace tasks. The future of work isn't about fear. It's about adaptation.